So it's been almost a week since we planted our seeds in our mini greenhouses, and I wanted to update you all so that you could just see how things have been growing and compare it to how your kits are doing. So this first one is the tomatoes and the peppers, and I really wanted you to notice this because this is how the greenhouse works. So by keeping the lid closed, it traps the moisture in there, so you can see all the moisture that's evaporating from the soil going up to the roof and staying within that enclosure. So it's keeping the soil really moist, and it's also keeping it super warm, which for these tomatoes, they need it to be really warm. And in fact, here's our peppers, which have not even germinated yet, which shows that it needs to get a little bit warmer before those peppers start to emerge. So if you're patient, these tomatoes and peppers are for you, but it'll definitely be worth it. Now the zucchini, squash, and beans are so cool. And you know, they didn't germinate first, but they are certainly the biggest. And beans, if you look up close right there, this is why I love growing beans. It is just really amazing to see how the seed emerges from that dry bean. And then our zucchini and squash, some are still germinating and some are getting really tall, but that doesn't mean they're ready to transplant yet, because what you'll notice first is that a plant is going to first grow 2 leaves, and these are called cotyledons. So it's not until your seedlings start producing their second set of leaves, which are the true leaves, the ones that will actually look like the plant's leaves as an adult. That is when your plant is actually beginning to be ready to be transplanted back into the garden. And now here, these are our microgreens, so you can tell how I planted those with just by kind of scattering the seed throughout, so you have a nice even spread of your various microgreens. And if you see those red stems right there, those are going to be the beets and the Swiss chard. So again, these seedlings, they're getting tall, but they only have their cotyledons, their first set of 2 leaves. So we want to check back in a little bit in a few more days to see if they start growing their true leaves. And then our flower seeds were actually the first ones to emerge. And again, it's so neat to see how you can see the leaves still encased in their seeds, which just really shows kind of the mystery and magic of germination and seeds emerging. And then the marigolds, they have not germinated yet. So either the seed isn't viable or they too are like the peppers and just need more time. So we'll check back in. But again, just wanted to show you what things start to look like after a few days. They've been in the house in a sunny spot. I took them outside, but it is so hot out here. I think it's going to be a little too much for the seedlings, so I'm going to take them back in.